Yeah, sure, get all the brands. Maybe we get a sponsorship. Don't forget me.
I'm not.
Well, she ain't gonna tell you.
I won't.
Really?
So we're only gonna use. I'll probably leave this part in. Half of the cheese, right?
Yep.
And then put the other half away.
Am I supposed to be talking? Or?
Yeah, you can. I might leave this part in.
Oh yes.
All right, now that you got the cheese out,
Gotta cut it into cubes.
into small, medium, small, it don't matter.
It don't matter, whatever. First we gotta put
The
this
smaller
away.
it is, the faster it melts.
Correct.
You put your other cheese back in storage
For another day.
for another football game. You probably gonna stress people out the way you cut. You just flinging it.
They get the idea. Cut it again. Cut it and cut it
Here, get the angle.
into cubes. See, it's cubes.
Yeah, and then throw it in your bowl.
You just pretend like.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yep. You throw all your you throw this all of a whole can. How many ounces is this? The 10 ounce into a bowl.
Shake it around.
Shake it up.
One of the secret ingredients.
This is what separates you from all these other cheese dips right here.
Do it for taste.
Yeah, we like it hot around here. Got it there. You wasn't playing with that. Oh, let me move this water gun before they think that's water gun. Just give it a little stir.
Oh yeah, you hear that sound? All right, now we gotta cook this.
Okay.
We're gonna. It's clearer than that meat.
Yep, you use half of the. How many pounds was that? Like one?
It was Can you see it?
No.
It says 16 ounce.
Oh, okay.
No, you put just enough water just to make the meat wet.
Okay.
Because we do mix it with the seasoning.
Yeah, we gotta put the Taco Bell. This is another secret ingredient right here.
This is the X factor.
Yeah, this is what makes the cheese dip.
So Julie, we were talking about on Friday because we get there so late.
At 9?
Yeah, that night that we were gonna stay in Vegas.
Yeah. That's what I thought we were gonna do.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna stay in Vegas.
Yeah, I figured we stay in Vegas and then,
We're gonna troll around and then
cause it's early in Vegas at 9.
yeah, and then Saturday we'll just wake up at whatever time, I guess. Depending on the time that the purchase, you know?
Yeah.
But and then we'll depend. I guess we can get ready in the house, you know, because we don't have to be out of there now.
Just a little bit of water. Just a little bit.
That much.
Like
Like a splash.
A splash.
Just so that your meat ain't gonna be dry.
Exactly.
Cause you normally with those packages you're supposed to put a cup of water, but since he wants the meat to have a lot of flavor, so it don't drown out in the cheese.
And we only use about half the package.
Half the package of the seasoning. The mine with Taco Bell. It smells so good. Another splash if it looks dry. You gotta kind of eyeball it.
We give it a little bit more seasoning.
And you can always start off a little bit and put more. That way you can always add. If you put too much, you gotta start over. But you can't really mess this up, huh?
No.
Because you can just add more cheese or more other stuff.
Exactly. That's it. The meat's done.
And the meat is good. It literally only took like, I'm about to burn my mouth. It only took maybe like, what, 3 minutes?
It's quick.
Quick. And we left it on between mid and high.
Okay.
I think that's it. Yep. Just quick. And then you throw your meat into the cheese. You gotta make sure you get all the crumbs in there. Okay.
Alright, now this goes to the microwave.
Alright.
See my frosting.
Oh. Okay. And then you put in the. Oh boy, you got Popeyes in there. Shh. You have to make sure it's a microwave bowl. Okay, you put 3 minutes on there.
7.
You put 7 minutes on there, but you gotta stir it, else you're gonna burn one side. We'll be back. Okay.
We'll do about 30 more seconds after that.
Okay. So total around 7 minutes, and you gotta make sure that the bowl you're using is microwave. You put it in the microwave. See how it's coming together? It gotta look like almost pancake batter, don't it?
Yeah, it's pretty thick. Pretty thick.
Pretty thick.
Alright, 30 more
So
seconds.
we're gonna put it in for 30 more seconds, and then you're ready to eat.
You have to voice over that.
Is it retake?
Why your eyes watering?
Retake.
Hey, you gotta have bloopers, right? You can show the bloopers.
Oh hell no, that's past bloopers.
What, you just want to eat it and just eat it?
Yeah, just eat it and just like, is it good? Alright, come on. You gotta get the good.